So, Wolverhampton Wanderers 0, Arsenal 1, 2 red cards, 1 apiece. The Sweet Prince, Matty, scored the winner off the bench. The wild horse with his long mane of hair. Piss poor performances from Martinelli, our striker. Seriously, that guy, he needs to be pinned. Yeah. Declan Rice for me was man of the match. I thought Timber played all right. The goalkeeper made a good save, a couple of good saves actually. But they're crap in it. Let's just be real. They're not very good. And if they hadn't got a second yellow and their man sent off, I don't think we would have won the game because we were offering nothing really. And every chance we did get fell to a guy who can't score. Like, we've been winging it, man. And having both of us sitting there watching this Man City-Chelsea game, we're in trouble against Man City next week, mate.
Yeah, I'm sitting here, as you said, we're both sitting here watching the game. And I would actually feel confident if we had somebody that could score. That we know for a fact that could score because we could probably do City next week, but we don't have anybody that can guarantee a goal up front. There's nobody that you can put your house money on and guarantee that we'll score a goal. Michael Oliver, that call today was just, for me, I've seen worse. Let's put it like that. I've seen worse that go unscathed. But I just, I just, for that call just kind of blew me away. And I mean, anybody, was watching the broadcast heard me when the foul happened. I said, yellow. Oh, this is yellow. And I just couldn't believe he went for a red, but it is what it is. But I want to highlight a problem, because what happens there is, Lee, if Havertz puts away any of his first 4 opportunities.
Just say that again, mate. His first what?
First 4 opportunities.
His first 4.
First 4.
Let that sink in.
Yeah. And I've said this earlier in the season. Anybody can go back and look at some of my previous fan cams. You give him 8 chances, he'll score. We need somebody that can score within 2. We need somebody that can score within 2. We can't keep relying on him to bail us out. And it's getting worse by the week with him. It's getting worse by the week. Yeah, he'll score in garbage time. He'll score the random goal here, there. But like today, that game should have been over. Any other team, you roll Bournemouth over there. That's 4-3, 4-5-6 goals. You roll anybody with a strike over there, they're winning that game. That game's over in the first half. They're done. There's a reason why they're in 16th place. And then we get into a situation here, and then, we're playing it, trying to get the draw, and Gomez bails us out. Because if it wasn't for him, we're probably talking about 1-1 draw, possibly a loss. And it's just like that game encapsulates how maddening it is to be an Arsenal fan, because we came into this season, Lee, knowing that we needed a striker. And now everybody's, oh man, we gotta have a striker. I've been telling y'all this for the longest, that we need a striker. Whether Jesus and Saka was fit, we still needed a striker. The manager wants to go on this rant on Friday about we're short. Yeah, brother, we knew this. We told you. We sat here on this channel and told you time after time that we were short. We need a gunman. We need somebody that's guaranteed to score goals. And we're winging it, Lee. We're going to play somebody that can actually score, and we're going to be required to score. And just we don't have the players that can do it.
We're due a pasting at some point. I'm telling you right now.
Yeah,
we're gonna get banged 3 or 4 in a game soon.
Cannot keep living on the edge, man. We cannot keep living on the edge, and we're living on the edge. And this is why the Michael Oliver decision was such a big one today. It's because we were in a situation there, in theory, where we shouldn't even been in this situation. You got that go against you, and then you got a striker who 4 opportunities, and the one that Tierney dropped on. I mean, Tierney comes in, ball comes right in. I mean, anybody with a cultured foot could have just put that away. Anybody. We can't. Lee, it's one of these conundrums where I keep telling people the manager's mismanaged the money. He's mismanaged where we should spend the money this past summer. And now we're relying on him to beg to try to get more money to get another striker. And they're saying Sesko. And I keep telling folks, I hear what people saying about Sesko. But Sesko, you look at Sesko, it's the same kind of numbers he putting up that Havertz putting up. It's the same exact stuff. We need a gunman. Cut the damn check for Jokers and be through with it. I tell you what, I'll put it to you this way. And I know I've been an advocate of, not him spending money, but if he does spend the money, let's say he does spend the money. If he spends the money, just buy not Havertz, but buy Jokers, and we'll just figure out something in the summer. That's where I'm at with it now. Just buy the gun, man. If you got to go low in the summer, I'll deal with it. I just cross my arms and just have to deal with it.
Listen, we've got enough defenders at this football club, mate. Yeah. Right. We need forwards. So go and pay the money for this guy right now. Yeah. Deal with what we got for now. Go with him. If it works, it works. If it don't, we finish second, third, or fourth, fifth, whatever. Yeah.
I read the
then the summertime. Bin Martinelli. Yeah. Bin Sterling back to Chelsea. Yeah. And go and get another wide forward. Yeah. And then get another attacking mid. Yeah. And then we're nearly there. Yeah. I still think we need more than that. But if they're kind of skint and all of this and that, and we've done big money on Jokeris, cool. Go and do that. Yeah. But they won't. They ain't going to do it, Matt.
Yeah. I mean, at this stage, you got to sacrifice something. You have to sacrifice something because we cannot keep relying on Havertz. Havertz is going to let us down, man. And it's going to come when you least it. We got off the hinges. We got off the hinges today, but when it's a crucial situation, let me paint the picture real for people. When we get in a situation here, if we're sitting in a Champions League semifinal and we need a goal, are you willing to bet your mortgage?
Nope.
On Havertz.
I'm not betting no money on anyone.
If we make it, if we in a situation where we could, we have to stay in the top four. Are you willing to bet that he'll keep you up? Are you willing to bet that he'll get you past Liverpool if it comes to that? Are you willing to bet? Are you willing to bet that he goes to Newcastle and gives you a hat trick?
Nope.
This is what I'm saying.
But if you've got a Jokeris, yeah, I'm watching this Marmoush guy. He's had a goal disallowed, but I can already tell this guy's movements elite.
Yeah, elite.
He's gonna have bad goals.
Speaking of elite, we're sitting on watch alongs, and all we hearing Isak scoring. Gakpo. Yeah, all the other folks Cliver. Yeah, all the other folks scoring. Chris Wood. All these other. Every time we sit on the watch along, we see all these other strikers. They scoring. And then we sitting there. Oh, I wish they could just do people just do a chop up of us just reacting to misses from Havertz. Oh. That's the compilation I want to see. I want to see the compilation of these misses from Havertz this year. Because these are point blank range misses that we're seeing.
Man, that one he missed today.
Yeah, the header.
That Chelsea put on a plate for him. On a plate. How are you missing that?
Wow.
Like, how are you missing that? Yeah, and we said this when we watched the replay of it. It was like he didn't even know the keeper was there.
No, he didn't even look up.
He didn't even look up.
Didn't even look up. Most times, a striker, if you're running, you're gonna kind of glance to see what's going on in front of you before you make your move.
Watch Haaland. Watch Jackson. Yeah. Jackson ain't even a striker, and he looks up. Yeah. He's just clumsy a little bit. Watch Haaland. Yeah, Haaland is never offside. Why? Because he's intelligent.
Havertz didn't even look up.
Nope.
Didn't even look up. The ball goes to the keeper. He's like, oh man, I didn't realize the keeper was there. Yeah, if you just saw him, you would have knew where to put the ball.
And not only that, yeah. If you're dead center a goal, right, and you're a striker, yeah, you can literally go either side or down the middle, yeah. Right, so you have to glance if it's natural to you. He's not a striker, Matt. Yeah. It's not natural to him. He's out of his comfort zone. Yeah, and that's why this manager should be sacked because he's put him in that position.
He bought him. He's a luxury signing. I told Tony Clark Gunner this Friday. We had a discussion Friday, and I told him, I said, you know what the problem is with Havertz, and is that if we would have paid $12 million for him, I don't think anybody would be complaining. I don't think if anybody would be complaining. It was almost scored. Mamouche almost scored right there.
Oh mate, he should have laid that off the Foden. He was clean through.
Yeah,
the goal's coming.
Yeah, if we would have spent $12 million for Havertz, I don't think there would be a problem. I think we'd be like, okay, we try and do the best.
Yeah, but if you're coming on big dollar.
Yeah, when you spend that kind of money, I expect results. I expect concrete results.
Yeah, you ain't got time. You've come in as the marquee signing. 60 million up front. Well, he came in as a midfielder, to be fair. But now you're a top earner.
And if you don't want to wear that scarlet letter, then all he needs to do is simply just say, you know what? Let's restructure my contract so that we can bring somebody else in.
Yeah.
But
Raheem Sterling suffering a crisis in confidence.
Yeah.
Cool. We'll pay the guy 240 quid a week then. Watch how quick his confidence goes up then.
And bring somebody else in that can get the job done. Because right now we need somebody to get the job done.
Yep.
Because I don't want to keep going through this every week. We got to rely on defenders. Calafiore.
Mate, look at this.
Haaland's
going to chip him.
Look at that. Look at that right there.
Look at that. That is what a striker does. I knew. What did I say? I said he's going to chip him.
Look at it at the same time. Just look at it. Look at it right there. Right there. That is a striker. We paid him. We paid. When you see that goal go in, that's a donation right there.
Yep.
From Arsenal Football Club to Man City. We donated. We bought Jesus and we bought Zinchenko. We donated them the money to go and get Haaland. To do what we just saw. Right.
As soon as I see him body that centre back, and I was about to say, and he was going, so I let you. I was like, look at this, right? One ball out the top, out the back, straight up to their striker who can hold the ball up. The keeper comes running out like an idiot, and I was like, he's going to chip him. Defender Chalobah just falls over like a fucking tree. Timber, look at this, look at Chalobah. Look how quick this Haaland is. He's looked up. He knows where the keeper is already. I'm just thinking it in, mate.
What I see, he's looking at peripheral vision. Every striker knows that. Anybody who plays striker knows that. You got peripheral vision. You see where the keeper is. If you pay attention,
you knew where the goalkeeper was perfectly for that. That's a great goal. Shit defending, shit goalkeeping. But that is what a finisher does. If that's Mo's salary, does the same.
Yeah.
Mo Salah's bagging that.
What we would do, he would try
to do that.
He
try to keep going down the fucking wing. And kick it out for a corner.
Yeah.
Embarrassing. Listen, shout your channel out, man. Always love, mate.
Southern Gooner here on YouTube, man. That's right there highlights what I'm talking about, what we need right there, what we just saw.
Yep.
Anybody that watching this on a replay, just if you're watching the City game, we watching it in sync with y'all. So we just saw the Haaland goal. That's what we're talking about. So
100%. Listen, I'm going straight live right now with Rashid and Northside. It's only giving me a short emergency meeting because I'm live again in 1 hour for the Real Madrid game away to Valladolid. Cole Hein, Arsenal goalkeeper, our keeper. Let's see what he's got. He's actually been good for them. I can't lie. And they're rubbish, but he's actually had a good season himself. He's kept them in a lot of games this season, but they're poor. But it's what it is. We'll see what Real Madrid have got because that let you drop points so they can go 4 clear tonight. 4 clear. What phase is he in? What did he do at Everton? Right, mate. Anyway, we're out. Cronky out. Sub to Matty's channel. Link in the title, guys. Laters.
Win the dog out.